it's Kelly with the Art Garage. I am going to show you a quick little art lesson on how to create bluebonnets and a bunny, or bunnies in the bluebonnets. So the first step is the drawing, and to do that you're just going to simply start with a few different shapes. An oval or an egg shape, and then you're going to overlap a circle, that's the bunny's head, another circle, the bunny's tail, another oval here, the bunny's foot, and a couple more ovals up top there. You guys can guess what those are. Those are those ears. So that's how you draw your bunny. Next step is to paint it. So we're painting our bunny today with white paint because we're using this really pretty aqua paper. But you can paint your bunny with a different color if all you have is white paper. You know, maybe your bunny is brown or gray or even a pink. So when you paint that in, you're just going to use strokes that go along with the shape that you're painting. And if you want to add some texture, like it would be really fun to go in dotting motions to create your bunny's tail. So a little bit more like this. And then you keep painting in your bunny's head. Alright, so once your white is dry, I've mixed a little pink. I'm going to add that to the inside of the bunny's ears there. And then using a smaller brush, I'm going to come in and make the bunny's face. Now to do that, I make a big triangle nose. The little bunny has that little twitchy nose there. So, and then a J shape for your mouth, and then add a little backwards J for that other part of the mouth. You can come in then with a little bit of blue and dot in some eyes, or you could get really creative. Maybe you might want to add button eyes and glue those on later. Bunnies do have whiskers, so if you wanted to come back in and add whiskers in a color, you sure can. You can get as creative as you want with this. Maybe cotton for the tail. If you have cotton balls, you could always glue those on. So the next step, once you have your bunny all painted, now the outer bluebonnets, you're just going to come in and make your green stems. And that's the stems that your flowers are on. And then you're going to grab a finger or a thumb, and I start with a very dark blue and put that at the bottom of the bluebonnet. And then as I work my way up, I'll add a little bit of white so that you get that same look that you see bluebonnets have in nature, where they're a little different colored as you move up the stalk. So to do that, you'll just grab a little white, mix that right on your fingertip or your thumb. This is a super fun project to do with, I would say this project's appropriate for 4 to 7 or even older. Kids would have a good time with this. And you just keep working until you've got the whole bluebonnet painted in there. And I've added a bunch of stems here, so you could make bluebonnets all over and maybe even make them in front of your bunny so that your bunny's inside the bluebonnets. Add some other flowers if you like. Indian paintbrush or whatever else you see this time of year would be fun to add. And then you have your bunny in the bluebonnets. Thanks so much for tuning in, and be sure to post your projects and tag us at the Art Garage Austin on Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to see what you're creating.